Student card. I'm a student, guys. National Art Science Museum.
No, a national center of art museum. No, not museum.
Entrance. Art Museum.
一个是学生，两个是大人。
You need wheelchair? Ling. Can I sit on wheelchair? You guys can bring me there. Stone workshop. So guys, this is a food court where we're looking for the food. Wow. Very big fish. Fish. So guys, we're just looking for the lunch. I hope we can find something to eat as a vegetable slice. Oh, vegetable.
好吃吗 ？Is it good?
好吃，yeah, it's 好吃。好吃。
Và ta kết quả cho chị mỡ mà cabbage nhưng mà không phải là cabbage và thịt mỡ là hai món mình ghét nhau. Cứu lại sao mai á, số nãy á. À cái dim sum mà nó ấy à, cái này là dim sum mà, siêu mai là dim sum đó.
What's you guys order?
Nó wrap mà trong cơ, không được. Anh chỉ biết không mà.
What's the order?
Siêu mai. This is the noodle barbecue pork. Actually, the barbecue part is this. Siêu mai. This is siêu mai. This is siêu mai.
小麦。
不是。
出麦。
炸烧啦。
炸麦。出麦。Okay, let's go eat, guys. Guys, many people right here. It's them. I go into right here. So that's it's in the temple area, and there is one bridge, lower bridge, but I don't know where is it. Somewhere here is the bridge, but I don't know where is it. But this is very beautiful, guys. You can see here, this area is like whole street.
Teach me to fly beneath the stars. I found my way through forests thick and skies of gray. The wind that sweeps through the lotus fields taught me strength, taught me to heal.
That one is a scholar bridge.
As the moon
This one is a single bridge, and there is another bridge. So there is a total 3 beaches.
my soul taking flight, the warmth of the sun, the softness of rain. In Taiwan's arms, I let go of pain.
Ask,
Can I ask you a question?
ask goose or dog.
You are the goose or the duck or the swan? Hey, bro. I know that he is female. I know he's male for sure. It's not female. from the from the feather.
Ooh, there's
is
another
male.
point. Is a duck or a ghost?
But the question is, he's the duck or the goose or the swan?
It's a duck.
It's female. Normally female is bigger.
That one's smaller. No, it's male. It's male.
Guys, they are fighting for the gender of. Guys, it's so very beautiful lake here.
I mean that one. This is the fox. The fox. The fox.
Oh,
Yeah, we can get inside.
run inside.
We can get inside that fox.
It's burning.
That's very cool. Actually.
You guys want to see the pig? Pork? Pig palm. Yeah. It's a big and it's a pig, but it's empty.
This place.
Guys, fish.
I landed here where the mountains kiss the sky.
So guys, this park is very beautiful. I think it's very big. I think it's need to come early in the morning and spend whole day here because there's many viewpoints. Like you can see over there is a folk area. So still we just do 1.5 hours and still there's a lot of things to see here. So you can see it's very beautiful, and if you have a time you can go for the boating, and it's over there, and also walking area, and it's a dock, and also these buildings are very beautiful. So I suggest recommend if anyone come here, at least 4 or 5 hours you can spend here easily.
Every path, a place I've never seen. Life in Taiwan.
三合院的在哪里啊？那是什么？没有三合院，应该往那边。有啦，有三合院。
So guys, this is the moon bridge, which one side is all with the greenery, and the side one is made of stone. So I will try to see here. View is very beautiful, guys. View is definitely beautiful, and you can see that side. And here is the grassy and forest view. So it's very beautiful. Here is a folk area. Oh shit. So guys, here is a very artificial folk area or smoking. I think it's not water, or it's just artificial grass or something, or there's a water. There's a water, guys. So need to careful and go inside. Let's enjoy the fog. I will take you inside, guys. Wow. There is water. It's totally smoke. Zero No visibility, guys. Be careful. These are creating progress. Very beautiful.
Your story is told. Teach me if I stay
Very beautiful. It's the center square, guys.
I landed here where the mountains kiss the sky. In the breeze I hold the soft side. The rivers whisper secrets old and true. Tides break, promise renewed. Stood by the ocean, waves crashing
Bye bye.